Hello Humanoids, this is Hash Robotics and me Hari. In the last video, we saw about how to install ROS Noetic in Ubuntu 20.04. In this video, we are going to see about ROS TurtleSim simulation. Well, TurtleSim is a ROS robot simulation package which is useful to understand the basic concepts of ROS. Before that, if you did not subscribe the channel for more interesting robotic videos. Like, comment and share the video. If you have any doubts or suggestions, you can ask me in the comment section. Once you log into the system, open the terminal window. I'm going to open two terminal windows. In one terminal, I'm going to run ROS code. This will start the ROS master. Only one ROS master should be run in the system. In case if you try to execute another ROS core, it will show an error. As you can see, it is throwing an error like ROS core master is already running. So we can't run two ROS master in the same system. In another session, I'm going to open RQT-Graph. Type the following command to open RQT-Graph. RQT-Graph is a GUI plugin from RQT tool. With RQT-Graph, we can visualize the ROS graph of our application. In RQT-Graph, we can see all the running node details and the communication between them. As you can see here, now only ROS core is running. Now we can run the TurtleSim node. If the TurtleSim package not installed, use the below command to install it. Type the following command: ROS run TurtleSim _node. Once you executed the command, a TurtleSim window will appear. If you stop the node, the window will automatically close. What if you try to execute the ROS package without ROS master? Let's see what will happen. It is throwing an error like failed to connect ROS master. So without ROS master, we can't run any ROS packages. When we start the master again, the node will be executed and registered to ROS master. If you want to see the list of currently running nodes, type the following command: ROS node space list. It will display all the nodes that are currently running. As you can see, now ROS master and TurtleSim nodes are currently running. Similarly, we can see the list of currently running ROS topics using the command ROS topic space list. These are the currently running ROS topics. Now open the RQT-Graph again. Now you can see now TurtleSim node is running and it is publishing to ROS core. Now I'm going to open new terminal to check some other functionalities in the packages. The TurtleSum node will publish the position of the turtle to a topic called /turtle1/post, which is nothing but the position. If you want to see the message data, type the following command: ROS topic space echo space topic name. As you can see, it will display the position of the turtle. Currently the turtle is not moving, so the position is not changing. Now I'm going to run draw square node, which is already available in the package. Now type the following command: ROS run space TurtleSum space draw underscore square. Once the node started, as you can see, now the turtle is moving in a square path. Now execute the ROS echo command again. As you can see, the position is changing according to the turtle position. Once you stop the node, the turtle will also stop moving. I'll just stop the node and open again. Now we can test the another functionality. We can publish the position of the turtle that we want. For that, type the following command: Here we can specify the linear and angular position that we want. I want to move the turtle 2 centimeters in the x-axis direction. Once you specify the unit, just hit enter. As you can see, the turtle is moved to 2 centimeters in the x-axis direction. Similarly, you can specify any position you want. If you want to see any information about the node or list, type the following command: ROS node space info space the name of the node. It will display all the informations for that node. Informations like what topic is publishing or subscribing to, and service details and some other details. Now I'm going to open RQT graph again. We can just simply type RQT graph. we can see that we published some linear question to the topic, and this is a topic named CMDVal, and the turtle sum node will subscribe to that topic and get the value and move the turtle accordingly. I'll just stop the node and open again. Now we can test TurtleSum teleop key node. What it does, it will take the commands from our keyboard and move the turtle accordingly. Now run the following command: ros run space TurtleSum space turtle underscore teleop underscore key. Now the node is running. If you press any arrow keys from your keyboard, the turtle will move accordingly. Now you can see the currently running nodes list. That's all for this video, guys. There are some other functionalities also available for TurtleSum. If you want to learn more, please visit official ROS website. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.